Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Life of Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy C. Guiding you guys along this wonderful night, and I would like to tell you guys about my bowling scores. My bowling scores were really wonderful, I have to say. Number one, I got an 87 and a 65. And in my goal tonight, I focused on the ball. That's my goal. And also let you guys know that there are multiple stuff coming up for my YouTube channel. Like number one, we will be talking about, like for instance, the radio frequency journey of like what I took to see if you guys want to take it, to show you guys on how I found out with my very first radio frequency how that took. Plus, we will be talking about the radio frequencies at Blue Sky Casino when we go over there. We'll also be talking about the radio frequencies in like Atlanta, Georgia. We will be talking about the radio frequencies in multiple different places. Now that up there is the airport, which is not that far away. Plus, tomorrow, I have a lot of things planned. So, also let you guys know, like there are different amounts of radio frequencies that you guys can listen to. Like at the nighttime, you guys can listen to radio frequencies. Like they're at the they're at they're at the they're in Gallenberg at night. You guys can listen to Dollywood. If you guys go up there to Pigeon Forge, you guys can listen to their transit. You guys can listen to their plus their French. Like you guys can listen to their trolleys. You can listen to their transportation. There's like multiple. When I say multiple stuff, you guys need to look into it and try to use it because there are like many many like so much, like 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 I'm not even kidding about the different radio frequencies that they use over there at the at the Bloomington Transit outlet used to listen to. I used to listen to their dispatch. I used to listen to BT Access. Like whenever they pull up, I'll let them know. Uh, do it. And 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 then after that, Walt Disney World is currently having their Christmas thing now, which I feel really happy about because Christmas is coming up. And next week, on my mom's birthday, I'll be celebrating my anniversary of my YouTube channel. Imagine that. And also a couple more life updates. I've been feeling really, really relaxed lately. Plus starting tomorrow, I'll be taking myself like a little walk to just clear my mind before I start everything. And also to show you guys on my computer right now, we are currently looking at Fulton County. Here's what Cobb County looks like. That's Douglas County. And I'll just read you guys a couple of frequencies. Now, Douglas uses like a DMR system. And they use NXDN for their jail operations. They use NXDN for like their juvenile. Douglas County Fire, they use a DMR, digital mobile radio, for their fire operations. And they also fire dispatches on that system, Fireground 1's on that system, and Fireground 2. Their Board of Educational School buses are not DMR, so you guys can listen to that. Looking at their DMR system, their fire dispatch you guys can listen to if you guys got a DMR capable scanner. Plus you guys can listen to like their sanitation department. Like honestly, their sanitation department, I listened to that while I was down there in Brevard County. But I gotta tell you guys something. That gets really, really, really interesting. Now if I click on Hartsfield-Jackson International, they got ground for runways 1029, 21 right in S571. Plus they're different airlines. They got American. They got a lot of frequencies for Delta. For Southwest, they got 3 frequencies. And then on their airline ground information, Delta has 1 DMR. And then after that, they're all narrow FM. Southwest Airlines has two, one FM and one narrow FM. United Airways has their own, one narrow FM and one FM. And in Sky Club and in the Transportation Security Administration, in their airline operations, is part of the Atlanta Fire Department, the Atlanta Public Safety. And also, talking about one more thing on here before I let you guys go for the night. So if we click on, let's see a good one. Metro Area Rapid Transit Authority. This is a Motorola system, Type 2 Smart Zone. So their paratransit dispatch and their paratransit van and their fixed route, their links to fire, links to police, and their others, they have like a lot of stuff. You have a police. They also have a rail. So before I let you guys go, I want to show you guys this. This is what the Disney Christmas looks like. Right here. And that's what's currently on my radio scanner right now. Alright, YouTube, I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.